my fellow extremers. This is extreme stunt number 4. Last time we had a fail. We're going to retry that today if Jacob is not going to be an idiot. But I'm not going to be directing. Our wonderful producer Mom is now going to be directing.
Hi!
Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Okay, Jim's laughter. Okay, let's see if this will work. Come on, Jim. Get ready. See if this works. If it fails again, we're going to do a very special extremer. Okay, I'm going to go sideways, go frontwards, or sideways, go backwards. Let's see. Push. Push. Okay, let's see. Oh, man. Give him push, dude. Give him push. Okay, let's try that again, okay? Jim, come on. Oh. Hey, come on, Jim. One more try. We only have a few seconds more. Come on, Jim. Let's hurry this up. Come on.
I don't think you're going to be able to go down sideways because...
You're the producer. Okay.
Okay.
Come on, get on. I'm doing it right
Don't
here.
drop that.
Okay, let's see if this works. Hey. Come on, let's see if this works. Get on, dude. I'm holding on, so I'm going higher. I'm going higher. Actually, I'll just start where I was. Okay, we're starting from the beginning. Right here, bro. Right here. Come on, get on. Okay, someone hold on. Okay, you can do it, dude. Someone hold the rope. Okay, we're gonna do this. Come on, get on.